When you got up this morning, you made some choices about how you were going to present yourself to the world. Really good rapport is about building relationships of trust. And you can only build relationships of trust, I believe, if you are seen, right? There has to be a certain amount of I see you that shows up. One way, a fun way that you can see somebody is follow your natural, genuine curiosity and ask a question about whatever that thing is that you're curious about. So when you got up in the morning, you're presenting yourself in a particular way. What is it that's going on there that I'm curious about? Bicycles on socks. That was a deliberate choice. I'm definitely curious about that. These earrings here. What's the story behind them? I'm curious about that. Anybody want to do this with me in the center of the room? All right, come on.
I don't know what this is, but
Bridget. So I'm looking at Bridget for the very first time. Hi.
Hi.
And she's looking at me. The essence of the tool is find something that they are carrying or wearing or sharing and ask them a question about it. So wearing's the easy one. So there's a couple of things I'm really curious about. Oh, I just found a third one. And I'm curious about the scarf. I'm doing this massive shoe shopping right now, and so I'm wondering how, I think they're Keens. I'm wondering how the Keens are working for her. So, how are the Keens working for you?
Fabulous.
Yeah.
I have worn them to walk on campus because I'm a professor, but also I've walked all over Europe in them, and I also can appear in court in them, and so it covers all the places I need to be.
Okay, stay right there. What did we learn about her?
So much.
Oh
my God. She's a professor.
She's a professor.
She's been to Europe.
She's been to Europe.
Where? Like, that's a whole other hour conversation.
Yes.
And she's appeared in court.
Appeared in court.
As a witness? As a defendant? We don't know.
But you are curious, aren't you?
We're gonna figure it out.